True richness in life isn't about ostentatious external accomplishments as much as it is about fostering and realizing inner qualities, particularly the essence of what we refer to as quality. But what does quality entail? In Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, author Robert M. Pirsig presents a unique concept of quality. It's a simple yet profound term that represents an elusive but inherent goodness in every living organism and mechanical form, an intrinsic factor in our work, services, activities, or any pursuit. Quality transcends mere standards. It's a beacon for our actions, encouraging us to view the world through a more holistic and direct lens. Through Pirsig's experience of motorcycle repair, he demonstrates that quality should never be absent in any endeavor, whether hammering metal or crafting sentences. It's this continual pursuit of improvement, despite challenges and setbacks, that encapsulates quality. To appreciate quality, Pirsig advises, beginning within ourselves. He shares the secret to maintaining tranquility, letting go of complex thoughts, and focusing on the task. This mindset allows for a deeper engagement with the activity, offering a sense of fulfillment that arises naturally from dedicated involvement. Recognizing the existence and significance of quality requires us to care about the tasks at hand. This care isn't superficial or forced. It springs from the heart, with each detail in work and life receiving our undivided emotional and mental attention. For instance, a mechanic who cares for their motorcycle delves into improving their craft, understanding the machine's mechanics, and identifying the core issues when problems arise. Ultimately, the motorcycle is restored, and the mechanic's skills and spirit are enriched. Pirsig's concept of quality isn't achieved through static rules and procedures. It involves emotional investment, enthusiasm, and an eye for craftsmanship. At its core, quality is a pursuit. Outwardly, it's an outcome. Through the process, it's an attitude. And in contemplation, it's an epiphany. Achieving quality garners external accolades for our work, but more importantly, it provides inner satisfaction and peace. Mastering quality means fulfilling our commitment to life's quality in action. Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance reveals the profound depths and impacts of quality. It enables us to find deeper gratification in both our professions and passions, and enhances our life experiences as we seek betterment. At the end of this journey, whether in meditative stillness or gazing at the stars after a fall, quality remains with us, burning brightly like the rising sun, illuminating both the philosophical realm and our own path.